Good morning. Welcome to Coffee with Chosen. We are amplifying voices that need to be heard in the context of racism as it applies to foster care and adoption. Today, I'm highlighting a documentary called Black, White, and Us, and you can find it on Amazon Prime. It is a little over an hour long, but it is one of the most powerful documentaries I've ever seen. Black, White, and Us includes conversations with 4 sets of white parents living in Utah who have adopted Black children. It also includes interviews with adoption professionals who have extensive experience with transracial adoptions and racism. The documentary is so extraordinary because in it, the parents candidly describe the racism their children have experienced, how to advocate for children of color, and what we can do as white people to start conversations that can affect change. One of the couples in the documentary began a nonprofit called Domino Calm, and there's a great page on their website with resources that are helpful for transracial families. We've linked it for you below. Just a warning, this documentary may include statements that you disagree with. It will be especially helpful to parents raising Black children. But if you are a white parent who, like me, is committed to listening and learning about racism right now, this is a powerful film that I believe every white parent, foster, adoptive, or biological, should watch. We've linked both the documentary and the resource page from domino.com below for you. If you watch it, let me know what you think of it. Feel free to email me at info@chosen.care. Have a great day.